Hello and welcome to the tech update of this week. As it stands now, Lenovo is facing a ban in Germany. This ban extends beyond Lenovo. This will also be affecting Motorola, which is one of the subsidiaries of Lenovo. This ban will also be affecting other range of devices coming from Lenovo and Motorola that uses wireless wide area network technology. That is GSM, UMTS, LTE and 5G, which therefore means that tablets, smartphones and laptops from these two brands will no longer be sold in Germany as at now. Lenovo was ranked as the market leader in the global personal computer market in 2023, of which Lenovo hopes to maintain this trend. But with this new happening in Germany, these hopes of Lenovo is likely not to see the daylight. This is also a bad news for Motorola, the reason being that the recently launched models, that is the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra models, cannot also be sold in Germany as at now. One may ask, what could be the reason for this latest ban on Lenovo? Now, this new development is as a result of an ongoing patent disagreement between Lenovo, Motorola, and Interdigital. Now, this disagreement is all about the licensing fees Lenovo and Motorola have to pay to Interdigital over the use of wireless wide area network technology that is used both in Lenovo and Motorola products. As at now, Interdigital, who currently holds the patent right over the use of this technology, believes that Lenovo isn't being fair enough in the payment of their licensing fees. Lenovo, on the other hand, also believes that the charges Interdigital is charging over the use of this technology isn't reasonable. Lenovo believes the charges are too high. As a result of this disagreement, these two companies had to take the issue to court. Now, the district court in Germany believes that Interdigital has a valid argument, so a ruling was given in favor of Interdigital, which has led to the immediate enforcement of this ruling in Germany. What this means is that dealers in Germany who already have the Lenovo and Motorola stocks are allowed to sell these stocks until it runs out. When it runs out, they will not be able to import and sell these products in Germany. Usually, cases such as this, companies would prefer settling their disagreement outside the court. We hope these tech giants are able to settle their disagreement within the shortest possible time in the coming days. And this has been your quick update for today. If you find this content informative, kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next update. Peace out.